from the start. First thing we communicate, the morning is bright. Both lovers waking from the sleeping tight all night. Feeling great is okay, being fair. Awareness, each move you and him make sweet words, tender love, not forsake. 'Cause I'll be there when you reach for me. There may be times it seems too far away. Jump on the train, no matter when or where. Worry not about your baggage or ticket. Hold in your heads some desire of hope, looking behind on the trucks that you run. In UK it's raining every day, without feeling is so commonplace, is ordinary in UK. Concrete walks on my road is like sliding slalom on the street, people having fun. Heaven pouring down, coming down, lot heavier breathing, carbon dioxide out. In UK every day is raining, but I'm walking through anyway. They just stare at me. Jump on the train, no matter when or where. Worry not about your baggage or ticket. Hold in your heads some desire of hope, looking behind on the trucks that you run. The time started to restrain, coming down the spring, new season is beginning. Ice, I'm melting, coming April. Why I long for don't know right away. For now, yeah, it's here. Running away on the train from April Day. Run away from your friends, companions, enemies, receipts, phone numbers, old documents, transactions, lost purchase. Jump on the train, no matter when or where. Worry not about your baggage or ticket. Hold in your heads some desire of hope, looking behind on the trucks that you run. Long night, all night, just like you. But something is telling me that for us it's too late. Clock is knocking in out loud like a bell in the church. Position in between, a gap in the middle. Standing near my window all night long, just like you. But something is telling me that for us it's too late. And the same two little tears running down in my eyes is the same as yours. Jump on the train, no matter when or where. Worry not about your baggage or ticket. Hold in your heads some desire of hope, looking behind on the trucks that you run. So much I wanted to dedicate in your way, without a doubt, mine absolute certain. I wanted to rain flowers on you, but accidentally gasp of wind took me away from. Unintentionally wanted to find myself, but no one is here to include this individual. For never certain. So much I wanted to give it away to you. Wanted to dress you up my way for me, but you refuse. Jump on the train, hey, no matter when or where. Worry not about your baggage or ticket. Hold in your heads some desire of hope, looking behind on the trucks that you run. We spend our life together since we both were 16 or less. She was awesome, she was so pretty. Her name picture like movie star and famous. Last orders curtain, pulling achievements and characteristics. I went to work too early